Today, we're diving into some of the best woodworking tools you can get for under $50. Perfect for pros and hobbyists alike, these budget-friendly tools are designed to improve accuracy, save time, and make every project smoother. From clever gadgets to essential upgrades, each one offers big value without breaking the bank. Stick around till the end. You won't want to miss a tool that could completely level up your workshop game. Going Make Sharpening Kit. Sharpening your chisels just got easier with the Going Make Honing Guide System Chisel Sharpening Kit. This handy tool ensures professional-grade sharpening results for your chisels and plane irons. Its adjustable honing guide allows you to set the ideal angle, so your blade gets evenly sharpened on the whetstone every time. It features dual short and long rollers to keep your blade stable and square, and angle adjustments ranging from 15 degrees to 45 degrees or 17 degrees to 42 degrees. It fits blades from 5/32 of an inch to 3 inches, and its locking mechanism is super convenient. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, brass, and stainless steel, it's corrosion-resistant, wear-proof, and portable enough to take outdoors for woodworking on the go. Auto Tool Home Doweling Jig Kit. The Auto Tool Home Gold Self-Centering Doweling Jig is a game-changer for woodworking joints. Whether you're making butt joints, miter joints, or edge joints, this jig makes the job easy. Even acts as a mortising guide. With a clamping range from 3/8 inch to 2 inches, it's beginner-friendly and quick to set up. Made of aircraft-grade aluminum with a gold anodized surface, it's scratch-resistant and built to last. Threaded bolts and bushings of different sizes ensure precise drilling, while the press blocks and fine threaded clamp give a secure grip without damaging your material. Going Make Thin Rip Jig. Need perfect thin strip cuts? Meet the Going Make Table Saw Thin Rip Jig. Built from durable aluminum alloy, it helps you cut thin, repeatable strips with precision. Compatible with most table and band saws, it features a zero-adjustment design for quick setup and a one-way roller bearing to prevent kickback. Whether you're a novice or a pro, this jig makes thin strip cutting fast, safe, and accurate. Nick Pro Pencil Sharpener. Save time and money with the Nick Pro Carpenter Pencil Set. You get 2 carpenter pencils, 26 pieces of 2.8mm lead refills, a sharpener, and a storage case. Designed with a 45mm long tip for deep holes, the sharpener is attached to the pencil top. No more losing it. The 2.8mm lead is strong enough for rough construction use, and it marks on multiple surfaces like wood, plastic, or paper. Available in 3 colors, it's a solid pick for any toolbox. Milescraft Center Finder. Take the guesswork out of finding center lines with the Milescraft Center Finder. It holds your pencil in the center hole and allows for perfect offset markings from 1/16 inch to 5/8 inch. It features easy-to-use notches and a rare earth magnet for fast metal surface storage. Plus, built-in storage for a backup pencil ensures you're always ready to work. Saker Scribing Tool. The Saker Multifunction. Scribing tool adapts to your needs. Adjust its shape, lock it in place, and draw parallel lines or arcs with precision. Built from anodized aluminum alloy, it's lightweight, durable, and fits right in your pocket. Perfect for 15+ tasks like tiling, paneling, furniture building, and more. It's a versatile addition to any craftsman's kit. 34 pieces chamfer drilling tools. This 34-piece chamfer drilling set has everything. 5-step drill bits, 6 chamfer bits, 6 tap bits, 7 countersink bits, 8 plug cutters, and 8 drill stops. Organized in a durable plastic case with high-density foam, the bits stay protected and silent during transport. Made from high-speed steel, they're sharp, wear-resistant, and ideal for wood, metal, or plastic. The set also includes a countersink drill bit with 5-edge chamfers to drain sawdust efficiently. Saker Chamfer Plane. Streamline your woodworking with the Saker Chamfer Plane. It removes edges quickly with an adjustable depth design, ideal for trimming and chamfering different types of wood. Equipped with horizontal and vertical bubble levels, it ensures accuracy. High-strength carbon steel blades offer sharpness and power, while the protective edge ensures safety. Easy to disassemble, clean, and reassemble. Perfect for efficient woodworking. Bessie Angle Strap Clamp. For irregular or circular workpieces, the Bessie Variable Angle Strap Clamp is your go-to solution. It includes a 23-foot, high-tensile strength polyester strap with 4 angle adapters that apply even pressure around any shape. The winding gears keep tension balanced on both sides, making it ideal for frames, shapes, and unique projects. Great for hobbyists and pros alike. Stanley Fatmax Tape Measure. Looking for durability and ease? The Stanley FatMax tape measure is impact resistant with a non-slip rubber grip. Its large, easy-to-read numbers and abrasion-resistant blade coating make measuring simple. With added blade armor, it lasts longer and performs reliably for every woodworking task. Micro Jig Block Push Block. Say goodbye to slippery push blocks with the Micro Jig Block Smart Push Block. Its heel hooks drop down or retract mid-cut for maximum control. With green GRR repeat traction, it grips wood firmly and safely. Modular and easy to clean, it comes with a 90-degree flip guide for accurate bandsaw or router cuts. Smart, safe, and essential. Jorgensen Chamfer Plane. The Jorgensen Chamfer Plane is designed for precision and comfort. It features a high-quality 9-carbon steel blade and multiple cutter heads for flexible use. The built-in blade storage keeps things organized, while the polished base ensures smooth glides. Its ergonomic shape fits perfectly in hand, and adjustable cutting depth makes it great for both beginners and pros. Wenjay N8504 Biscuit Joiner. Craft flawless biscuit joints with the Wenjay N8504 Biscuit Joiner. Its adjustable fence allows cuts at any height or angle. With preset stops for 0, 10, and 20 biscuits, you'll get perfect fits every time. Powered by an 8.5 amp motor and a 10,000 RPM blade, it slices through wood effortlessly. Professional-grade precision in a compact package. Tino Wood Router. Handle light or heavy-duty jobs with the Tino Wood Router. Its variable speed ranges from 15,000 to 30,000 RPM, and the stepless control protects your bits from wear. Perfect for grooving, chamfering, or finishing, it includes a stable base, rubber grip, and essential accessories in a portable toolbox. Craig Pocket Hole Jig. Elevate your joinery with the Craig R3 Junior Pocket Hole Jig. Drill strong, hidden joints anywhere with this portable tool. With a clamp adapter and 9-depth settings, it works on various thicknesses. Perfect for making furniture, shelves, or cabinets. It's your shortcut to clean, professional-looking woodworking. Max Geek Drill Guide. Say goodbye to the struggle of drilling precise angled holes on stairs and other tricky surfaces. The Max Geek Drill Guide takes all the hassle out of the equation. Crafted from lightweight yet durable metal, it features a sleek anodized surface that's smooth and rust-resistant. With 4 pairs of wear-resistant drill bushings, it's built to last through years of demanding use. But what truly sets it apart? Versatility. It supports 4 drilling angles: 30 degrees, 38 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees, with 4 different pilot hole sizes, so you can tackle multiple screw diameters across a range of projects. From angled deck railings to horizontal cable posts, this tool has you covered. And thanks to its upgraded dual groove structure, you'll get clear, precise drilling that saves time and frustration. Moto Vera Laser Level. Ready to make alignment a breeze? Meet the Moto Vera Laser Level, your go-to gadget for precision work. This compact, portable tool projects bright green horizontal and vertical laser lines, ideal for hanging pictures, installing shelves, and general home improvements. And with green laser beams that are up to 4 times brighter than red ones, visibility is excellent, even indoors at distances up to 100 feet. It's also IP54 rated for dust and water resistance, making it tough enough for various work environments. 4 adjustable brightness levels adapt to different lighting conditions, while a strong magnetic bracket allows for quick attachment to metal surfaces. Plus, the self-leveling function keeps everything aligned automatically, so you can focus on the task, not the tool. Bora Portamate Mobile Base. Stop wrestling with heavy tools in your shop. The Bora Portamate Mobile Base PEM 1100 is here to make moving machines effortless. This base supports up to 400 pounds, letting you mount and maneuver large tools like table saws, band saws, or workbenches with ease. Its best feature, full customizability. Just measure your machine's base, cut a piece of plywood to size, and install the included hardware. Smooth glide casters and foot-operated locking levers give you precise control and effortless movement. Perfect for tight workshops, garages, or anywhere space and mobility matter. Prexiso Laser Level. Need pinpoint alignment for your next woodworking project? The Prexiso Laser Level makes it easy. This user-friendly tool projects 3 laser lines at once with a simple one-switch operation. Thanks to its adjustable dial, you can fine-tune the beam from 15 degrees to 75 degrees, making it perfect for angled applications. Built-in bubble vials and LED lights ensure leveling accuracy even in dimly lit spaces. It comes with a wall mount base and 3 mounting options, so your hands stay free to work. And with 90-degree horizontal and vertical lines, it's ideal for shelving, tile work, cabinetry, you name it. Compact, versatile, and incredibly precise, it's a must-have in any toolbox. And that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which woodworking tool under $50 stood out to you the most. Thanks for watching. See you next time.